A thoughtfully designed suburban front yard can elevate your home into a picturesque oasis, seamlessly blending charm and elegance. With careful consideration of your home's exterior, specifically, a two-story house featuring beige siding paired with a classic red-tiled roof, you can achieve a harmonious front yard that enhances your property's curb appeal. Below are key strategies for effective front yard design and garden maintenance that will transform your outdoor space into a welcoming haven. Begin by choosing a selection of plants that complement the color palette of your home. Opt for vibrant flowering shrubs and perennials that contrast beautifully with beige siding while adding visual interest and depth. For instance, consider planting hydrangeas, daylilies, or ornamental grasses that will thrive in your local climate. Incorporating evergreen plants will ensure year-round greenery, providing a stunning backdrop against the red-tiled roof. Effective front yard design prioritizes symmetry and balance. Create defined pathways leading to your front door with bricks or natural stone, framing them with low-maintenance plants on either side. This not only directs guests' attention to your home's entrance, but also enhances the overall flow of the landscape. Additionally, consider including elements like decorative boulders or a charming bench that invites relaxation and contemplation. To add structure and visual appeal, integrate hardscaping features such as raised flower beds, stone walls, or a quaint patio area. These elements can break up the greenery and provide contrasting textures to your garden. A well-placed trellis adorned with climbing vines can also serve as an elegant focal point, drawing the eye upwards and accentuating the height of your two-story home. Regular garden maintenance is essential to keep your front yard looking its best. Schedule periodic pruning, weeding, and mulching to ensure that your plants remain healthy and vibrant. Establish a watering routine that caters to the needs of your specific plant selections, taking care not to over or underwater. A well-maintained garden not only enhances your home's curb appeal, but also reflects your commitment to the property and surrounding community. To keep your front yard inviting throughout the year, consider seasonal enhancements. In spring, plant colorful annuals that will bloom and brighten the space. In fall, add decorative pumpkins or gourds to your landscape to capture the spirit of the season. During winter, strategically place holiday lights or evergreen arrangements to maintain a festive atmosphere. Finally, add personal touches that reflect your style or interests. This could include a unique mailbox, custom house numbers, or bespoke garden art that showcases your creativity. Such elements can further enhance the distinctive character of your suburban landscaping, making your home a true representation of you. In conclusion, meticulously designing and maintaining your suburban front yard is an investment in both aesthetics and property value. By focusing on thoughtful plant selection, layout, hardscaping, regular maintenance, and personalized details, you can create a stunning outdoor space that harmoniously complements your home's exterior while enhancing its curb appeal. Embrace the potential of your front yard and transform it into a welcoming haven for both family and friends.